Hello everyone. So today we'll go for design part number 6. So before going to design, we need to understand the drawing. So you can see in the right side corner, second one, down one, that is your isometric view. If I stand here and see, this is my front view. You can see this is your front view, and here this is your side view, and from this top you can see this is your top. So without wasting, we'll start the diagram. Click part design, hide and show, create a point, insert an axis. If you don't know how to create an axis, you can go to the previous video, you can see that process. So we'll start from here, we'll start from the here. Okay. So what I will do, I'll start from this. Okay, one edge vertical edge is 42, taking a vertical line 42, then a horizontal line, inclined line, then a vertical line, then inclined line, I think this is the diagram. Okay, so this is how much? 42. Okay, 42, and this is how much? 21, 21. This is 21, and this is also 21. Okay, now what is this dimension? You can see it is 5 mm, and this height also 5 mm, this height also 5 mm, height also 5 mm. Now what is the total height? From here to here it is 66, and the length it is 98. Total height it is 66, and total length from this vertical line to vertical axis it is 98. Okay, now we should calculate some dimension from this line to the top. What is this dimension? You can see here 33. It is 33. Okay, now from this line to here, what is this dimension? It is total is 98 minus 5, because 5 dimension it's already in the middle, so 19 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the dimension exists to have. Now you can see what is the pair length. You can say the pair length is if I stand here, this is my pair length in side view. So in side view the pair length is 47. Okay, side view pair length is 47. So I will do 47 by 2 and mirror extend. Preview. Okay, now I will go to the top view and do this diagram pocket. Going to the top view, two rectangle, length is 25, second length it is 11. From the edge to the rectangle the dimension is 11. So same thing, it is 25. It is coincide with the edge, right click, coincidence. This length it is 11. Okay, from this length here it is 11. Same thing, it is how much? 25. This length it is 11. Last 10. This edge should be coincidence from this line, vertical line to the edge. What is this dimension? 11. Then for edge tab, pocket, give extended dimension, review. Okay, now your dimension diagram completed. Okay, if you like this video you can like, comment, subscribe, share.